In this lecture, we need to create practice exercise 16. You can see here elevation view, side view, top view and 3D view. Here this is this length and this one is width and here it is height. Go to here, click here new, select here 3D practice template, click here open, then go to the home, select here box, click any location, select here length, make it length 100 mm, make it like this 100, then press enter. Next width this one, it is 200 mm, go to here 200, then press enter. Make it height 110 mm, go to here, make it 110, then press enter. Next we need to remove this area. For that you can see here this one thickness is 10 mm, here also 10 mm. Go to here, select here copy edges, select this edge, press enter, click here, make it 10, then press enter, press escape key, again go to the copy edges, select this edge, press enter, click here, make it 10, press enter, press escape key. Just go to the press pull, click this face and click here, press escape key, select this one, delete this. Now this one is clean. Next we need to make it these arrangements. You can see here this one radius, it is 30. Go to here, select here left or right. You can see here x y change like this. This is our working plane. Go to the circle, click this midpoint. We need to make it radius 30. Go to here, make it 30, then press enter. Next we need to move that circle down. You can see here 55, total 110. 110 minus 55, you will get it from this location to this center, it is 55. Go to here, select this one, go to the move command, click here, make it 55, then press enter. Next we need to make it this area also, we need to make it. Before that we can extend this one up to here using extrude tool. You can see 40 plus 10, 50. Just go to here, go to the extrude, select this circle, it is circle, press enter, make it 50, then press enter. Then go to the union, select this together, press enter. Now it is one component. Next we need to make it this one for 50. From this location it is 75, from this location it is 75. Go to here, select here copy edges, select this one, press enter, make it this direction 75, press enter, press escape key, again go to the copy edges, select this one, press enter, click here, make it this side 75, press enter. This one we need to make it up to 40. You can see here 40. Just go to here, go to the press tool, click here, make it 40, then press enter, press escape key, select this one, delete it. Now this one is clean. Next we need to remove this one for 25, 15. Go to here and select here, it is right or left, it is okay. Then go to the rectangle, click here, make it dimension x direction 25 and y direction it is 15. Press enter, click here, select this one, go to the move command, click this midpoint, place it exactly this midpoint, then go to the press tool, click here, make it like this, press escape key, select this one, delete it. Next we need to remove this circle radius 20. Go to here, go to the circle, Just go near to this one, you will get it here center, make it 20, then press enter. Then go to the press full, click here and click here, press escape key, select this circle, delete it. You can see here. Next we need to make it this one. This portion we need to make it. For that, you can see here this one thickness, it is 10 mm. You can see here 10 mm. Just go to here, go to the polyline, click here midpoint and click here and click this quadrant. Similar way you can click here, then type C in your keyboard, press enter, select this one, go to here extrude, make it a 10, then press enter, select this one, go to the move command, click here, make it this side 5, then press enter, then go to the union, select this everything, press enter. Now it is one part. Next we can make this fillet also. Fillet we need to make it here and here, same this side also, radius 10. Just go to here, go to the solid, select here fillet edge, select here radius 10, then press enter, select this edge, press double enter. Similar way we can make it this side also, and here also we can make like this, then press double enter. Similar way you can go to this side, press enter, repeat the same command, press enter, repeat the same command. Fine, you can see here. Next we can arrange this one inside drawing. Already you know how to arrange this everything, how to create dimension. This all the thing simple way you can arrange it. Just go to here layout, go to the layout, select here base, from model space, click here, press enter, click here, then click here, then place it like this, then press enter. Next you can see here scale 1 is to 1.5. Go to here, select this one, click here, make it 1 is to 1.5. Now everything perfectly you can arrange inside this drawing sheet. It is placed like this. Select this one, click here, press F8. You can really move and you can place it properly inside this one. If you want, you can move this one and this one everything little bit down. Just go to the move command, click here, you can place it down. Next you can create the dimensions and all. Here you can make it first to the center mark, then you can create the dimensions. Here we have only linear dimension and radius, like that few dimensions only. That one you can create. You can make changes here and here also you can make changes. Then you can save the drawing, you can print the drawing.